Can you do a simple beat? I can rap to it, bro. Yo, going with this kid, he is really Bbox, you know what I'm saying, yeah, put that shit in the box, yeah, I run like a motherfucking fox, you know what I'm saying, spraying never delaying, going insane in the membrane, you know what I say, every single day, bitches sick of me like clay, yeah, going so hard into your day, damn, look at me, going so fucking insane, yo, I got that blue shirt on, you know what I'm saying, everything I do, yeah, going so hard, Super Satan, you can call me Goku, yeah, with the flow through, you know what I'm saying, yo, got that phone, with the fucking tone, you know what I'm saying? Don't let me into my zone.
Yo, that was good.
Dude, you're good at beatboxing.
Thanks.
Oh, you watch Jericho?
Mm-hmm.
Nice, bro. Yeah, Jericho's sick.
I messed up.
Dude, you sound so much like Jericho.
Thanks. He was the second beatboxer I've ever seen, so like I kind of based my beatboxing style off of him. MisFire, yes. Beatbox, Miss.
Alright.
Let's see how you sound when you learn like the inward bass. I just met MisFire. Woo! How you like it?
It's all Gucci.
Thanks.
Fuck.
Not much. You?
Not much, you?
Nothing much is up, but everything is down.
Yo, what's down there? I don't see anything.
What?
Oh, you know, you're looking down, but I don't see anything, so.
Oh, nothing's down here.
Better than me. Dude, how old are you?
I'm 12.
Fuck!
No,
You gotta be kidding me!
Hold on, it's not. No, it's not.
All the 12-year-old beatboxers I've ever met are like 20 times better than me.
No, dude, it's cool. The main part of being a good beatboxer is commitment and like taking the time out to do it. Try and practice it as much as you can.
That's true.
Did you meet her yet?
Well, I was actually in her video not that long ago, a couple days ago.
Nice.
I
Dude.
gotta shit myself? Yeah, that was me, but yeah.